Need to share your Dola AI conversations with teammates, friends, or collaborators? Yeah. Sharing chats is quick and easy once you know where to find the option. In this guide, I'll show you how to share chats step by step. First, open Dola AI and go to the conversation you want to share. Make sure it's the right chat before sending it to someone else. Look for the share icon or menu. On desktop, it might be a three-dot menu or a share button. On mobile, tap and hold the chat or check for a share option in the top right corner. Dola AI usually offers multiple ways to share a chat. You can copy a link, send it via email, or share directly through messaging platforms. Pick the method that works best for your recipient. Some chats allow you to set permissions, decide if people can only view or if they can reply. This keeps sensitive information safe. Once you've chosen the method and set permissions, send the link or copy it. Then share it with your teammates, friends, or collaborators. After sharing, check with the recipient to make sure they received access. You can also test the link yourself if needed. And that's it. Open your chat, tap share, pick a method, set permissions, send the link, and confirm it worked. Sharing chats in Dola AI is that simple and keeps collaboration smooth.